Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Lexus RX300 door lock actuator. First, you'll need to identify if the actuator is indeed the problem, often indicated by a door that won't lock or unlock electronically. Then, gather your tools, including screwdrivers, trim removal tools, and the new actuator. Always ensure the vehicle is off and the battery is disconnected for safety before you start. Next, we'll focus on removing the door panel. Begin by taking out any screws hidden behind trim covers or door handles. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry off the panel, avoiding damage to the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and the door handle cables. This will give you access to the inner workings of the door. Now it's time to replace the faulty actuator. You'll need to unbolt the old unit and carefully disconnect any rods or cables linking it to the door latch and lock mechanism. Take note of how these are attached. Then, position the new actuator, securing it with the bolts and reattaching all the linkages and electrical connectors. Double-check that everything is firmly in place. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips align and snap into place. Reinstall any screws and trim covers. Before fully closing everything up, reconnect the battery and test the new door lock actuator multiple times using both the key fob and interior switch. Confirm that the door locks, unlocks, and opens smoothly from both inside and out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.